recording our meeting and we'll get started practicing with math. So we're gonna go over and review some things that you guys should have been learning and practicing when you were here in class with Mrs. Saba and Mrs. Forbush and maybe another substitute that you had. So we're going to review some of that. And the first thing that we practiced a lot was counting on our number grid. So I'm going to show you a number grid on the screen so you can see it. So everyone should be able to see the number grid. And I'm going to ask you some math questions. You're going to use the number grid to hop, and then you will write your answer on your whiteboard. And then, just like we do in class, remember Miss Lumsden says conceal, which means to hide your answer. And since you're on the video, you don't really need to hide it. But when Miss Lumsden says reveal, that's when you want to hold it up to your camera so we can all see your answers and see if we are doing great at hopping on our number line. So the first question I'm going to ask you, the number sentence, 12 plus 6. So on the number line, you're going to find the number 12, and you want to hop up 6 times and see where you land. 12 plus 6. And write down that number where you're landing on your number on your whiteboard. It was 12 plus 6. Starting at 12, hopping up 6 hops. All right, reveal. Hold your whiteboard up to the screen. Show Miss Lumsden your number. Yep, okay, Preston, I see you landed on 18. Someone landed on 19, 16. I see some more 18s. Okay, looks good. Let's hop together on my screen. So I said start at 12. See Miss Lumsden's pointer. Starting at 12, going up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should have landed on 18. All right, we're going to do another one. So the next one is 9 plus 2. So you're going to look on the number line, find the number 9, plus 2 more hops up, and then write down that number where you're landing. Looks good, Annabelle. Let's go to the next one. 9 plus 2. All right, reveal. Hold your number up to the video so Miss Lumsden can see. Oh, I see Owens. Good job, Owen. 11. 11. Yep, I see lots of 11s. Good, we did good on that one. So you're starting here at the number 9, and when I add, it means we're getting bigger. We're hopping up 2 hops. So 1, 2, and you land on 11. Nice job. I see lots of 11s. Okay, good work. All right, now we're going to do a subtraction problem, which means we're hopping backwards on our number line. We're hopping where the numbers get smaller. So 14 minus 5. So you want to find the number 14, and then you're subtracting 5. So you're going backwards. You're going toward 0. 5 more hops. 14 minus 5. Write down the number on your whiteboard where you land. All right, reveal. Hold it up to the camera so we can see. Nice job, Arlo. Good job, Preston. Yep, I see lots of 9s. We hopped backwards. Good job. We're getting better. Good job, Ben Goebel. Good job, Owen. Nice. I can see those 9s. Okay, good. We hop backwards. So let's show on the screen. We start at 14 and we hop back 5 hops, and we start counting when we go to 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we landed on the number 9. Okay, we're going to do one more on the number grid. Then we're going to switch to another thing we learned about. So the last problem is another subtraction problem. 20 minus 6. Find the number 20. And you're going to hop backwards 6 hops. All right, reveal, hold your number up to the screen. Started at 20, hopped backwards 6 times. Looks good. Arlo, I see 14. Good job, Alexis. Nora, move your board up toward the ceiling a little more, then so I can see your number. Higher, up toward the ceiling more. There we go. Now I can see it. Good job. Okay. Oh, Ben Goebel, I like that you wrote out the whole number sentence. Nice job. Okay, 20. You're right here on 20. Subtracting 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We landed on 14. Okay, so the skill of using our number grid to hop and answer questions is super important. We're going to keep practicing it in first grade. We had a couple lessons with it, so I just wanted to make sure that we got some good practice in on hopping on our number grid. It's a great, or our number line. It's a great tool to solve math problems. Okay, the next thing we're going to go through is frames and arrows. Can you put a thumbs up to the screen if this looks familiar? Frames and arrows. You should have filled some of these out. Yep, okay, I'm seeing some thumbs, frames and arrows. So this is using patterns in our numbers. So we're going to find patterns and make sure that we can predict which numbers would come next. So you can just keep using your whiteboard to answer what Miss Lumsden's going to show you on her frames and arrows, okay? And if you have a number grid or a number line that you want to use to help you next to you, that's an awesome tool. Okay, so here's the very first rule. I'm going to try and show you. I need something to go behind it. That's not thick enough. There we go. All right, that first one, it says the rule is -1. And it says 14, 13, 12. You need to write what numbers would come next. You're subtracting by 1. 14, 13, 12. What would come next? If you keep going backwards, there would be 2 more numbers there. You write down both the numbers on your whiteboard. Ch 14, 13, 12. What 2 numbers would come next? All right, hold it up. Hold up your numbers. Which 2 numbers? Oh, looks good. 11 and then 10. Nice job. Good job, friends. Keep going backwards. Yep, still subtracting by 1. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Good job. So when our rule says minus, that means we're counting backwards. We're going backwards. If our rule says plus, our numbers are going to be getting bigger. Okay, here is the next one. It says the rule is plus 10. 10, 20, 30. What would be the next 2 numbers? $10, $20, $30. Keep going up by tens. All right, show me your whiteboard if you've got it. 10, 20, 30. What would be our next 2 numbers? Oh, I see him on Arlo's board, and oh, Preston's and Ben Goebel. Good job. 40. Good job, Wyatt B. 40, and then 50. That's counting by tens, plus 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. All right, good work. Nice job, looks good. I see your 40, Christopher. Okay, we are looking for the one number that's missing in this rule, plus 5. 5, then there's a blank. 15, 20, 25. We're counting by fives. What number would go here after 5, 15, 20, 25? What number is missing? When you're counting by fives, 5. We're counting by fives. We're not counting by one. So you got to add 5 more. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5. All right, show me your board when you got it. Oh, lots of 10s. Good job. 5, 10, 15. Yep. Good job. 10. Okay, so these last ones, we are just going to figure out the rule. So Miss Lumsden filled in all the numbers, but we don't know what the rule is. So you're going to write the rule. Here's the numbers: 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So the first thing is the number getting bigger or smaller. Are you going to write plus or minus? Are the numbers getting bigger or smaller? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So you're going to write the rule. They're getting bigger or smaller. I see some plus signs. Good job. How much bigger are they getting? Plus how many? Good job with the plus sign. Plus how many? How many is it going up by? Is it going up by 1? Is it going up by 2? Is it going up by 3? Nice job, Arlo. Nice job, Benji. Looks good, Marnie. Good job, plus 1. Good job, Chase. Good job, Owen, plus 1. They're getting bigger by 1. Great job. That's the rule, plus 1. Let me fill it in. Okay, the last one, the last rule. We don't know this rule either. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Are the numbers getting bigger or smaller? Would the rule be plus or minus? 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Are they getting bigger or smaller? Nice job, Arlo. Nice job, Benji. Up, minus. Good job, Preston. How much smaller are they getting? A number grid is a great tool for this one. Actually, I have one right here. 50, look. So when you're looking at your number grid, 50, 40, 30, 20, you're going up on the number grid. So how many are we subtracting when we do that? Nice job. Looks good. Minus 10. Good job, Chase. Yep. That's the trick on our number grid. Remember, if we're traveling up and down, we're going minus 10, plus 10. It's a great number grid trick to use. Good work, first grade. Okay, you impressed me. You showed me that you were listening very well to our substitutes and what they were teaching you. So we practiced on our number line and figuring out those frames and arrows. So that is going to wrap up our chapter 3 math. Since we're at home, we're just gonna not worry about a test for right now, and tomorrow we will work on chapter 4. So we will meet again at 9:30, but Miss Lumsden will be teaching you something new, and we will work together on new math stuff. Chapter 4 is all about measuring. So you at home in your packets, you had some paper clips and a brand new pencil and some little cubes. You're going to be using that stuff to measure. Okay, so you'll be measuring, and we'll be talking about how we do that in the next couple of days, all right? Okay, good work, my friends. I'm proud of all the math that you showed off, your skills, and I can't wait to see some of you later this afternoon for guided reading. Some of you I will be reading with today in a couple hours, okay? I see you all are working on the slideshow and doing an awesome job getting your work done. I'm very, very proud of you. If you would like to say goodbye to your friends, you can. Good work today.
Say goodbye.
Bye. Bye. Goodbye. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Good job.
Bye.